Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP printer driver experiencing an unavailable error? This problem occurs anytime due to issues like outdated Windows software or a printer driver. But the good news is it can be fixed pretty easily. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 simple methods to fix the issue covering both Windows 10 and 11. For one-on-one assistance, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's dive in. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Check for Windows Update. On your Windows, click on the Start menu. In the Start menu, click on Settings. On the Settings window, go to the left panel and at the bottom, click on Windows Update. On the Windows Update screen, click on the Check for Updates button. Now, wait for Windows to look for any updates. If updating Windows helped fix the issue, subscribe to our channel. If the issue is still not fixed, let's try updating the printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver. First, click on the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand Print Queues section. Now, find your HP printer in the list. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Driver window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for latest updates and install them for you. If you're facing other issues with the HP printer, please let us know in the comments section. Does updating the printer driver help you? If not, let's run the Troubleshooter. Method 3. Run Printer Troubleshooter. Go to your desktop, then click on the Start button. Now, open Settings. In the Settings window, open the System tab, then scroll down a bit and open Troubleshoot. Under Troubleshoot, click on the Other Troubleshooters option. On the next screen, go to Printer and click on the Run button. Now, the system will detect problems and fix them automatically. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.